I don't know if you guys know, but in this video we made it to Hawaii. Here chilling, vibing, waiting for the family for a table. We're about to have a breakfast buffet here at the shore. Right there, it's called the shore. Just chilling. Everyone here is so nice, so chill. Had great conversations with random NPCs here. Cool. We need these it's only half. Brian. Alright, we're about to get seated. This is Brian, he's been amazing. This guy's awesome.
We'll see you soon.
Thank you, man.
Good morning.
Yeah, Brian's been amazing this whole time, helping me out and stuff. So we're about to have breakfast right here with this beautiful view. Just amazing. Sergio right here filming. Oh, I got you a surprise. I got you a gift. Alcohol. Hey. Okay. Now we're walking. We're just gonna walk to the beach, drinking, chilling, having a good time. Cheers.
Good,
chilling. Yeah, yes, sir. Just walking down. Got some really nice shops. So hot though. So humid. Mermaid for Brian?
Yeah, he wants a mermaid.
Oh yeah, that's right. You wanted a mermaid.
And her phone number.
Hey, look, they got a Tesla shop right there. I gotta take one with me home. I got a new drink. Check it out. What'd you get? Ice, shaved ice? You like it? So good. The weather's finally cooling down too. It's finally.
It's so weird how it already melted.
So in here I got pineapple, mango, and dragon fruit smoothie, custom made to me. They call it the champi. I just invented a new drink here. Checking this view. I can't get enough of this view. This is just amazing. And, we're just getting ready to go to another beach right now, so that's what we're doing. And this guy right here, we'll show you guys. Ata? Ata. 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 Say, Atya.
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 Atya. Atya.